Good morning. Is your morning routine getting longer and your skin is still crepey? Well, I'm sharing with you in my bathroom my morning routine at the age of 60. Remember, less is more. Let's get into the video. Nope, I'm not showing you my body in the shower. However, I am going to show you some products that I use when I do take a shower. This product right here, this body wash, I use it every morning and I love it. I'm a shower girl in the morning, not the evening. So that's what I use, my trusty razor. I use my Venus razor every morning. I shave my body and then I shave my face so I can have a smooth surface for my skincare. All right, I'll see you when I get done with my shower. I always put on an oil right when I get out of the shower. It just helps my skin stay uncrepey. But I actually really like this. It's rather expensive. You can actually make it at home yourself. I put it all over my body. So I take a big old thing of it. Oop, I'm naked. I take a big thing of it and I put it all over my arms. I put it on my chest. I put it on my neck. And I put it on my legs. It's great for the stomach. It keeps away the crepies. Once I've done that, I go in with my lotion. I always use a body retinol. And this go around, because I switch products a lot, I am using this right here and it is awesome. It comes out, it's real thick. And I use it right on top of the oil. I always give my skin about 5 minutes to completely dry down. I put it on my legs, my stomach, everywhere I put that oil, I go ahead and put the retinol lotion. So now we're on to the face, and it is a real easy process. I grab my toner, which I already put a little bit on because I was so like, ugh, I just needed some, but this is the Tear toner, and this is what I've been using. I'm literally almost out, and I just apply it. It gives me like a glass-like skin, and it has a lot of beautiful ingredients in it. If you haven't tried it and you have dry skin, you will love this product. The next thing that I do is, and by the way, I don't cleanse my face in the morning. Like, I just let the water hit it, and whatever products I've had on from the night before, I just rinse them off gently in the shower. The second thing after the toner is I go in with an eye cream, and I have several here. I just picked up the Ordinary Eye Serum, and this one is very nourishing. I am not treating my dark circles because my heavy lifter is the tretinoin. What I'm doing here is I'm treating my under the eye skin, and I can use this one. I also have this e.l.f. one that I've been using, and this one is very lovely as well, but I do like the serum. I'm just going to take one little drop of it and just put it right on the top of my little finger there. It is kind of thick, which I like, and I just apply it very gently on top. I always go on top of my eyebrows too, and I just go very, very gently. That skin is so delicate, and as we age, it gets thinner and thinner and thinner. So you want to have something that's got nourishing ingredients in it. And I love the Ordinary because of the price point, because of the ingredients, because of the science behind it. It's a great line. After I have gone in with my eye cream, I then go in with a day serum. And my day serums are they're not a heavy lifter for me. My heavy lifters come from my tretinoin that I use at night. I do use some for the hyaluronic acid, for the plumping mechanism. This is the HA serum, and I love this one as well. This one is going to plump up your skin. It's going to give you that hydration. It's going to seep into those fine lines and wrinkles, and I love the fact that it's thick like that. And I apply that right on top of where the toner was, and I just press it into my skin, into my neck, into my décolleté, behind my neck. This is where I'm really applying those products, because I know once I head out that door, my day begins. I'm not thinking about it anymore. Once that dries, I give my products about 3 to 5 minutes to dry. I forgot my little handy fan, but I do have a handheld fan that you can use when you're home and you're just in a rush and you want to get out the door quickly. that fan is a game changer. Then I go in with a moisturizer. Now my moisturizers, one thing you're going to know about me is as I've gotten older, I stopped spending a lot of money on day serums. I stopped spending a lot of money on day eye creams because the fact is, all I want, my goal is just nourish my skin, get those wrinkles down, plump up my skin, make it look glass-like, and I rotate constantly. I had the Rock moisturizer, and I will tell you, I loved it. It felt like a cold cream, you know, from the olden days. Your mom used a cold cream. I loved the Rock moisturizer. If you're using that, give it 2 thumbs up. I also have here the Ordinary moisturizer for days when my skin feels like it needs just a little bit more. And I also have the Eucerin. I'll get into a nighttime video at some point, but I do use the Eucerin nighttime lotion. A lot of the times it has some retinol in it, and I like that one a lot. So you choose your poison. Are you oily? Are you dry? Do you feel like you need a little extra during the day? I'm gonna go in, I have this Ordinary here. My skin feels like it needs a little extra leave-in. I'm going to go in with this moisturizer. It's much thicker. See that? And this is my favorite part of the day, by the way. I will tell you, if I could live in a bucket of oils and lotions, I would. In about 5 minutes, all these products are going to melt into my skin, and I'll be ready for the next step, which is going to be my sunscreen. And this is what I do every single morning. I do use a nourishing lip product, and I am right now currently using the Paula's Choice lip balm. If you guys haven't tried this and you have dry, cracky, icky little lips, I am telling you, this stuff is fabulous. It's clear, and when you put it on, I actually put it up on top of my, I put it everywhere. Again, I'd soak in it if I could, and I let this sit, and I let this be. My motto on top of less is more. Hydrate your skin, support your skin, and protect your skin. And if you do those 3 things for the rest of your life, you will not have crepey skin. I hope you found value in this video. I'm so glad I got the opportunity to take you along in my bathroom. It wasn't sexy, but it's what I do. For those of you that were asking at 60 years old, how do you keep your skin so pretty? These are the steps that I take, not only in the morning, but I've got my routine at night that I will be sharing as well. Comment below. Let me know what products you use in the morning and what works for you. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried a body oil when you get out of the shower, it is a game changer for when you apply the retinol moisturizer on top. 60 years old, people say to me all the time, no crepey, no crepey. Crepey is not a word we use in this house. I love all of you. For those of you that have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and let's do this 60-year-old thing together. I don't want to do it alone. I love the community we're building, and it's all because of you. Thank you. I'll be in the comments, and I'll be checking in with all of you. Bye, guys.